No. I don't want to talk about myself.
What's worrying you?
Nothing's worrying me. What have I got to complain about? I have the same conversation with the same dickheads every day, and then at night I can replay it all over again in my head. Everything's fucking awesome.
Well, I'm not surprised you feel like that. Prison's a boring place. Especially for a smart woman like you.
You think I'm smart, do you?
Of course I do.
Great. So let's talk about you.
Nice try.
Can't blame me for trying. I'm surrounded by dickheads and psychopaths.
Psychopaths?
Don't tell me you haven't checked Ferguson off against the DSM.
Sorry?
Jesus. The Diagnostic and Statistical Manual.
Yes, I know what the DSM is. I'm just not used to inmates who quote from it.
And that's my point. Inmates.
Mm.
We're not here to talk about Ferguson, are we?
No, we're not.
Or about you.
That's right.
Or about why you're wearing that new shade of lipstick today. It suits you, by the way. How does it taste?
Frankie.
Or about why you cross your legs when I come closer. Or about why you smile when I walk in the room. And I know that smile. And I know what it means.
Are you trying to threaten me?
Why would you say that?
Because you're trying to intimidate me and I don't like it. I don't respect it.
I'm bored, Gidget. I'm sick of everyone and I'm sick of myself. I hate it here.